This morning I showed up for nature instead of logging on to a computer and checking emails. I checked in with my senses, with what I can see, with what is around me. And being in nature here, we can see all the tiny things that make up the whole. We tend to be in go mode while at work, trying to put out the fires, moving from one onto the next. But while out here, it's almost as if that all becomes muffled. There's no emails to respond to here. There's no meetings to log on for. It's just being present. Not disassociating, not pretending, wearing a mask. It's just looking around and watching the movement. Being present. Watching the trees gently move in the wind. Watching the birds fly around.